Welcome to the QuickAds.ai dashboard. On the left, we have the Design section, where I'm selecting Image. As you can see, there are multiple options here. Let's get started. First, click Create Now. We'll begin by adding a business link. I'll be using the URL of TBWA. Now, QuickAds is gathering data from the URL. Next, we'll select the ad size. For this example, I'll choose Facebook post. Now it's scraping the image data from the URL. Wow, we've got images directly from the website. There's also a second option, stock media with full access to Getty images. And finally, a third option for My Assets, where you can use custom images. Today we'll go with stock media. Let's move on. Here it is, our ad creative. It's beautifully designed with a headline, subheading, and a call to action, CTA, all customized to match the brand's logo and colors. But we can take it further. You can edit and modify the ad, change the text, adjust the colors. It's all up to you. But let's check out more options. This template looks fantastic. Now, here's something amazing, a multi-image ad layout. We've got one primary image selected, but for the secondary and tertiary images, we'll need to choose our own. When we click on this spot, the My Assets section opens on the left, allowing us to use our custom images. I'll select this image for the ad. Let's make a few tweaks, change the colors a bit for a more polished look. And just like that, our ad is ready. All that's left is to download it. QuickAds creating high-quality, customized ads for social media is easier than ever. Give it a try and see how effortlessly you can bring your brand to life.